Guys, today we're gonna make a spicy chicken marinade. I love it because it's super fast to prepare and it only takes 20 minutes to coat our chicken with this spicy sweet glaze. Let me show you how to make it. I'm just using a zip bag to put all my ingredients and my chicken in it, and I'm gonna use a bowl to assist it and have it open. So to the zip bag, I'm going to add 1 lime juice. Now, because the marinade has citrus in it, that's why all it needs is 20 minutes to marinate and it absorbs right in. The acid from the lime juice or lemon marinades, I have one on this channel, you're also gonna love it. Penetrates our chicken meat quickly, it helps absorb all the flavors, and you can get dinner on the table really fast when you use this type of marinades. To the lime, I'm gonna add some Sriracha. It's just a quick and easy way to add spice and liquid at the same time. It helps you get through that big bottle you have in your fridge a lot faster when you use it in marinades. I'm also gonna use 2 garlic cloves, which you'll want to finely chop or grate. I actually just have garlic paste, so I'm going to add enough as in 2 garlic cloves in there. Some fresh ginger that I'm going to grate. A quick tip is to buy a piece of ginger at the grocery store and keep it in your freezer. This is actually frozen right now, but that's okay because I can still grate it and it adds a lot of flavor into the recipe. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can also use powder ginger, but not as much because a little bit goes a long way. Okay, and to this, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and some honey. The honey is what's going to stick onto our chicken and really give that glazy look. Like in every video, I always include a link to the measurements and the recipe right below in the description box, so don't worry, just go gather ingredients, come back, and let's make this. You're going to want to combine these in your bag. Now, if you're not using a zip bag and you want to use a glass container, just use a whisk and make sure that the garlic and the ginger and the lime, everything is really well combined. Now, for today's recipe, I'm using skin-on chicken thighs. One of the reasons I love using skin-on chicken for this particular marinade is because my kids by itself think it's too spicy. So after I cook the chicken, I can remove the skin and it still has a lot of flavor, but it's not as spicy. So if you're using chicken breasts or skin-off chicken, just know that the marinade is going to come through that much more. All you wanna do is seal your bag and distribute your ingredients so all sides of your chicken get coated. Now this is gonna go in our fridge for about 20 minutes and it's ready to be cooked either in the oven or on the pan. I actually have an entire video showing you how I cook this start to finish and incorporate it into an amazing meal. For that recipe and a meal plan for you to use for your family, make sure you click the description box below this video. Hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook together every single week. See you next time.